Breaking news. Just in, Buhari attends UN General Assembly in the US. See what happens. Remember the 1 million man march is going on. And Buhari is trying to bobo people. What I mean by that is deceitfully make it look like he's coming this day, he's not coming that day. Yes, to get people confused. Yeah, and to so that the 1 million man march will not be intensified on the day he's there for the whole world to see how much of a failure he is, someone who cannot truly assemble his people together, have a round table meeting called dialogue to look into issues going on, but rather using force and not telling the truth. Buhari is attending the meeting in the UN meeting in US, New York, and these are some of the things that are coming out. You'll be shocked and surprised because a 1 million man march is not taking it easy. No, 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 no. Nobody's taking it easy. The world has to know what Buhari has done and what he's doing in Nigeria. So this is what is happening. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Thank you. President Muhammadu Buhari will depart Abuja Sunday for New York, United States of America, to participate in the 78th section of the United Nations General Assembly. This is according to the statement on Saturday by Femi Adesina, Special Advisor to the President on Media and Publicity. The sections open on Tuesday, September the 14th. The theme for this year is building resilience through hope to recover from COVID-19, rebuild sustainability, response to the needs of the planet, respect the rights, emphasize, of the people. I'll take that again. Respect the rights of the people. Okay, so this is what it stands for. This is what they are looking forward to. President Muhammadu Buhari will address the assembly during the general debate on Friday, September the 24th, where he will speak on the theme of the conference and global issues. In the course of the assembly, the national leader and members of the delegation will partake in other significant meetings, such as high-level meeting in commemoration of the 20th anniversary of the adoption and the dual declaration of the program of actions on the theme racial justice, equality for people of Africa descent. The delegations will also participate in Food Systems Summit, high-level dialogue on energy, and high-level preliminary meeting to commemorate the promotion of International Day for the total emergence of the nuclear weapon. The president will also hold bilateral meeting with a number of other leaders of delegations and heads of international development and organization. He will be accompanied to he will be accompanied to New York by Minister of Foreign Affairs Godfrey Oyema, Attorney General and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami, and Minister of Steel and Environment. And also on the president's delegations are National Secretary Advisor Major Babagana Mongonal, Director General, National Intelligence Agencies, and much more on his list. However, Akintoye, Banji, and others have promised that the stage of protests on the self-determination will be bigger and larger the very day Buhari is addressing the union. This is for the world to know exactly what is going on and to come to Nigerians' aid and call for a referendum. So, now so the matter don't they reach us, say Buhari, they go UN and they go speak at some point. However, the people ready for him. No, 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 no. Nobody's taking it easy with Buhari. No way, no way. Nobody's going to sit back and allow him just do whatever he wants to do and get away with it. What? No, Nibo, no way. It ain't happening. No, 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 no. It's not happening. So a lot of persons are waiting for Buhari, saying, you know what, guy, let's get there. Let's get there. We want to know what you are up to. Okay, we want to know what you are up to. We're not going to sit back and allow you do whatever you want to do. The world must truly and really understand, yeah, where you stand. You're coming to speak on social justice. You're coming to speak on things, you know, the rights of the people. yet you are the number one flaunter, of the very rights of the people. You have no regard for the records for the rule of law. You do not respect people. See how Nnamdi Kanu was snatched or kidnapped from another country, and yet in Nigeria they say they are looking for kidnappers when the government is showing Nigerians that that is the way to adopt people. I mean, when you look at it, yeah, a leader live by example, because you are what the people are looking at and the people will follow you. A leader is supposed to be someone who, because of the position, the sensitive position you occupy, you're careful how you live, you're careful how you comport and carry yourself, because all is watching you. So what exactly are we talking about, and what is really really happening? You see, you cannot eat your cake and have it. You are the one who has caused more harm than good in your very own country. People rise up and speak up and say what's going on is wrong. There you go, having them, being treated like they are animals, they are not human beings. And yet you want to address the world on the very issues that you yourself are flaunting. How does that work? So the aim of the protest is for the world to see these things and understand that something is really not right. Okay, and to say, you know what, if Nigerians are really calling and saying it is time for them to have a referendum, maybe it should be looked at, maybe it should be considered, maybe the people, and others, are right. Maybe the people should, understand what exactly is happening. So this is what is going on. This is some of the things happening. Buhari will be speaking in UN. However, Nigerians are waiting. Yeah, Nigerians in the diaspora are waiting. I mean, in the time of other leaders, people do not have as much, disregard for government like they do these days. You can tell that this current administration has not only failed, has really failed, has really, really failed. Because if you look at all that is happening, where exactly are we going with all this? Where exactly are we going? Where exactly? Where's the road leading? Where are we going with all this that is happening? Where's the pronounce that tells us that this is the next point of action? So I mean, we really need to tell God, may God help us, because when you see waiting past you, you go just say, you say, God, I beg now your hand, I put this thing, because it don't pass you. You see, leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. God bless you. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.